welcome to today's tip. We're going to be using this beautiful butterfly stamp to create a masking on the background for our scrapbook pages. And so I don't want all of this internal part of my butterfly, so I'm just using some packing tape, and then what I'm going to do is cut all the way around the edge and leave the sticky bit showing up because that'll help hold it down. I've got one here that I've already done and used. So that's got a little bit of sticky over the back. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my page and I'm just going to create a few little clusters with some paint. So here I have got, this is my acrylic paint. I've just got some other bits on my palette, but I'm not going to use those. And then I'm just going to use the really fine tip on my Q-tip, and I'm going to go around the edges and create circles. I'm using two colours just because I like the combination of these two colours, but you don't have to. Okay, I'm going to lift that off now. I've just got my sharp scissors here just to peel it off without getting my fingers in it. Okay, so there is our beautiful butterfly and all of the lovely dots coming out. Now I've got a few other butterflies here that I thought would be really lovely to have on the page. And then with a lovely big photograph in the middle maybe, just coming out from there, that would make a really glorious page. Look how pretty that is. It's so easy to do and so effective. I hope you've enjoyed this tip and I look forward to seeing you next time.